Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Just Markets. So step 1, log into your account. Go to the Just Markets website or app and sign in with your account credentials. Step 2, go to withdrawal section. Navigate to the finance or withdraw tab from your dashboard. Step 3, select withdrawal method. Choose your preferred methods such as bank transfer, e-wallets like Skrill or NetTeller, crypto wallets, or local payment options, and make sure that the method is verified. Step 4. Enter withdrawal amount. Input the amount that you want to withdraw. Make sure that it meets the minimum withdrawal limit. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Double check the details and hit the submit button, and then you may need to verify via email or 2FA code. Step 6. Wait for processing. Withdrawal processing time varies. For e-wallets, it may take up to minutes, while bank transfers can take up to 3 to 5 business days. And that's how you withdraw your funds from Just Markets. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.